Liza. I work at the North Park Village Nature Center with the outdoor and environmental team with the Chicago Park District. I'm here today to introduce an activity that you can do in any park, and it's inspired by the artwork of Andy Goldsworthy, whose art was based on all the natural objects that you can find just about anywhere. The idea also is that it's ephemeral and finding the beauty in change. So let us share with you some ideas that our colleagues have collected today and some of the results and work that we've done together to create some ephemeral art.
So here's some different things you might find in your park. Sticks, leaves of all sorts of shapes and colors, acorn bits, seeds, even grasses or bark. Just be sure to take only the parts that nature's already done with, that are on the ground, and don't pull them off of a living thing. Even just sorting all your parts can be fun. What do you think I made this pile? Or this pile? What are the different piles you can make looking at all the stuff on this table?
So when I was walking, I noticed that some of the roof shingles had flown off the roof, and that some of the moss had started to grow on top of it. I was pretty careful when I was picking up some of these objects just to also make sure that it wasn't a home to a worm or a centipede. So when I went looking for objects, I found leaves and sticks, and I really liked the way these sticks sort of wrap around each other and intersect. And while I was making this design, I thought a lot about how staying connected while being separated. And that is, yeah, that was what I was thinking about.
I made a circle of leaves, all different shapes and colors. So I thought I was kind of like taking a picture of a clock or the seasons. But all the leaves are in a different stage. Some are just starting, some are just ending. There's even a whole brand new tree hidden in there.
Right.